How quickly do mass extinction events happen? Have you ever wondered how fast mass extinction events can occur? These events are times in Earth's history when a large number of species disappear in a short period. Unlike normal extinction rates, which happen gradually over millions of years, mass extinctions unfold much more quickly. Typically, mass extinctions can happen over thousands to a few million years. This may sound like a long time, but in geological terms, it is quite rapid. For example, the Ordovician-Silurian extinction, which took place around 443 million years ago, resulted in about 85% of species vanishing. This event likely unfolded over tens of thousands to hundreds of thousands of years. Another notable event is the late Devonian extinction, which lasted roughly 15 million years. However, this event was not a single occurrence but consisted of several waves of extinction. The Permian-Triassic extinction, often called the Great Dying, occurred about 251 million years ago and wiped out up to 96% of species. Some studies suggest this extinction took place over about 15 million years, while others indicate a much shorter duration of around 100,000 years for the most intense phase. The Triassic-Jurassic extinction, which occurred between 199 and 214 million years ago, also happened over a relatively brief period. The Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction, which occurred 65 million years ago and famously ended the reign of the dinosaurs, is believed to have happened very rapidly, possibly within just thousands of years due to an asteroid impact. What causes these events to happen so quickly? Often, they are linked to catastrophic factors like massive volcanic eruptions, asteroid impacts, or sudden climate changes. For instance, the Permian-Triassic extinction was triggered by volcanic activity in the Siberian traps. This volcanic activity released vast amounts of greenhouse gases, leading to extreme warming and significant changes in the oceans. These environmental shifts caused ecosystems to collapse swiftly. From a political standpoint, understanding the speed of mass extinctions is essential. It shows how quickly biodiversity can decline when environmental limits are crossed. Today, human activities like habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change are accelerating species loss at rates similar to past mass extinctions, but these changes are happening over mere centuries or decades. This knowledge highlights the urgency for political leaders to take action. They need to implement conservation strategies, regulate emissions, and invest in sustainable development. International cooperation is also vital to prevent a modern mass extinction, which could have serious consequences for ecosystems, economies, and human well-being. In summary, mass extinction events typically happen over thousands to a few million years, which is rapid relative to Earth's history. Some of the most severe extinctions may have occurred in just hundreds of thousands of years or less. For political leaders, this serves as a clear warning that environmental crises can escalate quickly, demanding timely and decisive responses to protect biodiversity and planetary health.